Hello, welcome to forest. Yeah, forest. I don't know what else to call it. Hey guys, so I heard that it's called a dangerous forest. Yeah, is there a game called 99 Nights in the Forest? Yeah, but we might do it one day. Yeah, but we should just let it go. Let's keep going, baby back ribs. Oh, it's so. There's so much bushes. Come on, guys. What are you taking so long? We're not even walking. We're just rolling. Come on, guys. You're gonna take it forever. Guys, wait for me. Okay, guys, I'm ready. Oh, wait, no, someone's taking me. No! Guys, can you hear something? No? Oh, okay. Let's keep walking. Where am I? Okay, guys, I'm coming. I'm gonna explore the woods. Okay. It shouldn't be that bad here. Where'd a little Jimmy go? I don't know. I think he went down. I don't know. He just like fell down somewhere. Keep walking. Whoa! Where are we going? Hey, where are we? No, that's what I was wondering. I fell down here too. This place looks like something bad will happen. Gardener. You know, sometimes I always just say I wonder what will happen. Let's change it up. I want to have some natural disasters pretty soon. Okay, I'm gonna see what this tunnel is about down here. Okay, but make sure not to get hurt. I won't get hurt. You just say that. Oh, what's this button do? Wait, do you hear that? Wait, I think it's chainsaw. I don't think this place is bad. I think this place is fun. It's already nighttime. I should find the other guys. I don't know what they could be. I think someone's behind me. Hey, what? I have to run. Okay, I'm hiding. Maybe you can't find me. Oh wait, I wasn't running. Okay, I'm gonna plant some of these trees so we can actually see. Okay, so we need to find other guys. But where would they be? We're the little bastards. I feel like someone's touching me. Let me check. Ah, the dinosaur! Boom! Oh, what's happening? No, please, don't stop it! Oh wait, I can revive. Oh wait, this is my last revive. I think it's like 99 Nights of the Forest, but different. That's what I think. Night vision on. Okay, what's this? Oh, I think it's like a statue. Oh, I know. I need to run. Help me. Oh, it's dragging me. Wait, no, what are you doing? Don't crush me. Chomp, chomp. About to get an ad. Whoa, 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 whoa. Maybe there's trees up there still. Oh, never mind. We're close to go. Okay, I'm in the forest. If I were to go, I swear to God. Let's go check this out. I hope it's nothing bad. Okay, hopefully there's not a creature. Maybe if I start crawling. Yeah, crawling helps. Okay, I gotta be careful. Wait, who am I stabbing? Oh! Really, buddy, whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh, I got the zombie! Take this! Oh no, it's a zombie, bro. Get me out! I broke my hand. Brains. No, no brains. Who is this time? Ah, it's a leg. And what is this? Ah, it's a creature. There. Oh man. They don't want to be. Oh no, laggy. Put my tail down. Crunch. Crunch. I'm gonna lose my life. I remember. Wait a minute. Yeah. Just gonna stay here. Maybe if I stay here, you can't find me. Not gonna lie, this was kind of boring. But I can make more adventures, so come on, man, let's go into Roblox.